TST Tooling Software Technology is providing complete solutions for the tooling industry. Today, we are proud to present to you Factory Whiz Monitoring. Factory Whiz Monitoring allows you to drive success by realizing maximum efficiencies, allowing you to make decisions using unbiased, error-free data directly from your production assets. It allows you to spot trends as they happen, providing you live data and reports to help identify opportunities for improvement, which allows you to remove and reduce deficient practices or processes. This also allows you to engage your employees, allowing you to create an environment of positive achievement. This allows you to maintain and exceed target goals. Factory Whiz Monitoring provides real-time web display. The web display gives a live update display of the current CNC activity. This includes particular statuses such as runtime, pause states, idle states, specific OEE percentages based on shifts, days, or weeks. These can also be customized to display based on your preference. The web display also shows a map view, showing your entire map for a shop floor layout. This also continues to show you the same status changes as far as how many are running, paused, alarm, or even idle states. The live displays are non-interactive dashboards that can be placed throughout the shop. This promotes positive behavior, allowing you to constantly see the status of the machines that are running. This inspires productivity through the entire shop. Productivity reports are also included with standard Factory Whiz. This includes OEE, CNC utilization, and shift comparison. There are many reports that are included by default, such as detailed analysis, part comparison, notification summary, reports based on machining groups, offset changes, allowing you to track tooling offsets such as your workpiece offset or the tool length comp, reports giving you your idle reason to analyze the different top 10 idle reasons per machine and why they're down, machine productivity as far as the OEE percentages based on particular dates, or you can even modify or create your own using Crystal reports. Idle reason tracking allows you to identify and eliminate inefficiencies. There's a few ways that you can track the idle reasoning, which is manually input based on the operator at the machine. You can use tablets, which can be mounted directly at the CNC machine. This will allow them to record that idle reason once the machine automatically goes down. Some such idle reasons can be that it's down for maintenance, waiting on material, programming. All of these options can be manually controlled based on your company. We can record the idle reason based on barcode scanning, as well as just a standard PC that's located at the machine, or even a standard PC used for a group of machines for one particular cell. The offset tracking allows you to troubleshoot quality problems and machine crashes based on the tooling offsets for the length comp, as well as workpiece offsets for your standard G54, 55 pickups. This allows you to track change accountability. You can also take control of your scheduled maintenance by scheduling a PM based on machine usage. This can be logged as the hours powered on, number of hours running, or even every calendar date. So every 3 months, 6 months, any time that it would need to be due. You can also implement in your own custom applications. You can import and export data via documented API, which integrates in with your standard ERP system. We thank you for taking the time to watch this video as TST offers complete solutions for the tooling industry. If you have any questions or would like to see a live demo for any of our products, please contact us at 248-922-9293 or visit our website at tst-software.com.